Welcome, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant tapestry of Manila, Philippines, as we embark on a stroll through its bustling streets and explore the famed street markets that have become integral to the city's identity. So, lace up your walking shoes, and let's hit the lively streets of Manila. Fun fact, did you know that Manila, the capital of the Philippines, is one of the oldest cities in Asia? Its rich history dates back to the pre-colonial era when it was a bustling Muslim settlement. As we wander through the city's lively markets, a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and aromas envelopes us. Manila's street markets are not just places to shop. They are living entities pulsating with the energy of daily life. One such iconic market is Divisoria, a treasure trove of goods that draws both locals and tourists seeking a taste of authentic Filipino commerce. Did you know Divisoria is named after the Spanish term División de Oro, which means division of gold? This name reflects its historical role as a center for trade and commerce during the Spanish colonial period. Navigating through the narrow alleys, you'll encounter an array of products ranging from clothing and accessories to home goods and electronics. Haggle with the friendly local vendors, and you might just score a fantastic deal. This market is a true testament to Manila's resilience and vibrant entrepreneurial spirit. Quiapo, another famous district in Manila, is home to the Quiapo Church, where the Black Nazarene, a life-sized statue of Jesus Christ, is enshrined. Devotees flock to the church, especially during the annual Traslation, a grand procession of the Black Nazarene. Now, let's delve into the heart of Quiapo's marketplace. This area is a mosaic of religious artifacts, traditional herbal medicine stalls, and, of course, the ubiquitous street food vendors offering local delicacies. It's a sensory overload that captures the essence of Filipino culture. Did you know that Manila was once known as the Pearl of the Orient? This title reflects its historical prominence as a vital trade hub during the Spanish colonial period. In Manila's vibrant street markets, you'll discover a myriad of treasures that encapsulate the essence of Filipino culture. Let's delve into the diverse offerings that make these markets a must-visit for locals and tourists alike. Explore clothing stalls showcasing Filipino fashion trends. From traditional garments like the Barong Tagalog to contemporary streetwear, you'll find a blend of styles. Accessories. Adorn yourself with intricately designed accessories. Handmade jewelry, beaded accessories, and locally crafted items are abundant. Bamboo crafts. Discover the artistry of bamboo handicrafts, including baskets, mats, and home decor. Skilled artisans often showcase their creations in these markets. Shell crafts. Unique items made from seashells, such as jewelry, trinket boxes, and decorative pieces, offer a taste of the Philippines' coastal beauty. Street food galore. Indulge in an array of street food delights. From savory skewers to sweet treats, Filipino street food is a gastronomic adventure. Try ballot, boiled fertilized duck egg, isaw, grilled chicken or pork intestines, and halo-halo, a refreshing dessert. Local snacks. Bring home packs of local delicacies like dried mangoes, banana chips, and sweet pastries. These make for delightful souvenirs or snacks. Religious artifacts. Quiapo Church souvenirs. Near Quiapo Church, vendors sell religious artifacts and items related to the Black Nazarene. Rosaries, religious images, and other devotional articles are prevalent. Traditional healing. Quiapo is known for its stalls offering traditional herbal medicine and folk remedies. Explore the various herbs, roots, and concoctions believed to have healing properties. Tech bazaars. Some areas of Manila's markets cater to tech enthusiasts. You can find affordable electronics, gadgets, and accessories. It's a paradise for those seeking budget-friendly tech deals. Antiques and curios. Antique shops in the vicinity showcase a collection of artifacts, vintage items, and curiosities. These shops provide a glimpse into the historical layers of Filipino culture. Souvenirs and trinkets. Unique keepsakes. Whether it's keychains, magnets, or small trinkets, the markets offer an array of souvenirs. These make perfect mementos to remember your Manila adventure. The markets are a microcosm of Filipino culture, reflecting the nation's history, traditions, and diverse influences. Affordable shopping. Manila's street markets provide budget-friendly options for both tourists and locals, allowing everyone to partake in the shopping experience. Local entrepreneurship. By supporting these markets, you contribute to the livelihood of local vendors and artisans, promoting sustainable tourism. As we continue our journey, the aroma of freshly cooked street food wafts through the air. Indulge in local favorites like ballot, boiled fertilized duck egg, kwek-kwek, quail eggs coated in orange batter, and the ever-popular fish balls. These culinary delights showcase the diverse flavors that make Filipino street food a gastronomic adventure. Manila's markets embody the melting pot of cultures that define the Philippines. You'll find Chinese, Spanish, and Malay influences in the products and street food. Affordable shopping. For both locals and tourists, the street markets offer a budget-friendly shopping experience. From fashion finds to unique souvenirs, there's something for every shopper. Authentic Filipino experience. The markets provide an authentic glimpse into the daily lives of Filipinos. It's not just about buying, it's about connecting with the heart and soul of Manila. Final thoughts. And there you have it, an immersive walk through the dynamic streets and markets of Manila. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy exploring, and may your travels be filled with joy and discovery.